Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare Huel versus Huel Black. We'll explore their key nutritional differences, helping you understand which option best suits your dietary needs and lifestyle. Whether you're seeking balanced nutrition or a high-protein boost, this guide will clarify the benefits of each. Let's dive into the specifics to help you make an informed choice for your health goals. Standard Huel is designed for balanced nutrition, making it a great everyday meal replacement. Each 400-calorie serving provides 37 grams of protein and 46 grams of carbohydrates, alongside healthy fats and fiber. It's a versatile option for maintaining overall wellness and ensuring you get a complete nutritional profile with ease. Huel Black is formulated for those seeking a higher protein and lower carbohydrate intake. A 400-calorie serving delivers 40 grams of protein and just 17 grams of carbohydrates. It's also sugar-free and gluten-free, making it an excellent choice for supporting muscle growth, managing weight, or following a low-carb dietary plan. Deciding between Huel and Huel Black depends on your personal health and fitness goals. If you need a balanced, everyday meal, Original Huel is a fantastic option. For those prioritizing higher protein, lower carbs, or muscle support, Huel Black is likely your best fit. Both provide complete nutrition, so choose what aligns with your lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.